Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another quarantine craft for you today. I'm going to use this giant Target box and I'm going to make Cinderella's golden carriage. Is it golden? No. I'm going to make Cinderella's carriage, but you can use this technique to make any sort of ride vehicle your kid likes. You could do a car, you could do the Cars characters from the movie Cars, but this is just going to show you the technique to do some sort of little vehicle that your kid can get in and actually ride around in. So the first thing I'm going to do is I removed like all the labels and stickers. I want a clean box to work with, and then I'm going to take off the flaps at the bottom and the top. I'm going to set them aside because I'm going to use them for other parts of the car, so I'm going to get busy doing that. Okay, so I have a change of plans. I cut the panels off the top of the box, but I've left them on the bottom because I realized if I leave them, I can tape them, and now I've got an even bigger box, which is gonna work well for the height of my daughter. So I'm leaving the bottom of the flaps on the box, and then it will be time to draw my pumpkin shape and cut it out. All right, now I'm gonna draw a really basic pumpkin shape onto the main flat side of my box. I'm gonna do this on the two sides, so this side and then the parallel side to it on the other side. I'm gonna do a really basic shape. So basically just a curved line on the top and then on the bottom, like a little top of a heart maybe is a good way to describe it. Okay, so I did another change of plans. I ended up cutting off the top side panels. So basically here's what I've got. I've got the main middle of the box. These are just two of the top panels. Side panel's gone, bottom panel's gone. And then at the top you can see I cut it with this vague little pumpkin shape. And now I'm gonna add some wheels. Okay, so now I'm gonna make some wheels. I cut out from those flaps that I cut off the box. I cut out some circles. I took like my daughter's dinner plate and traced it. That's how I did it. And then I cut a circle out of the inside that is the size of a toilet paper roll. So you're gonna need like toilet paper roll or paper towel roll, something like that. And it's gonna be a little wheel. So then I've got 4 of these, and I'm gonna cut a hole at the bottom of my carriage to match the paper towel roll size on each of the corners of the carriage so that I can slot the wheel in. And then we've got one more step in the actual construction of the carriage, and then it's basically done and it's time to decorate it. So this is what we have now. I've got the wheels on, there's my carriage, and now this is a little floppy. I'm gonna add some structure and give like a little steering rod to my carriage using, this is the inside of a wrapping paper roll. So what I'm gonna do is, like I did when I attached the wheels, I'm gonna draw a circle on either side here and cut it out so I can slide this in, and there'll be like a little pole that you can use to push the car around. There's Eli's tail. Okay guys, so that is the finished product. I had so much fun painting this. I'm sure you could tell. I really enjoyed it. But I left the other side blank for my daughter. I'm gonna let my daughter decorate the other side, and I encourage you to do the same. I wanted to paint this for my own fun and just give you guys an example of how to actually make it look like Cinderella's carriage. I hope you could tell in the video that I didn't overthink it. I just kind of did simple lines. I did a simple design. I think this would be easy to recreate. But again, I'm gonna let my daughter do the other side. This is what it looks like. So she can get in here, and this is her little pole that she can push and go around in. This would be a great photo prop if you were having a birthday party. And like I said in the intro, I did Cinderella's carriage, but you could do any kind of vehicle that your kid would like, depending on what characters they like. Like I said in my intro, this is part of my quarantine crafts for kids, where I do projects using stuff you already have at home. Since we're all staying home and we're trying to entertain our children, I'm in the same boat. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know in the comments if you're gonna try it, and hit the red subscribe button so you don't miss my weekly videos. I'm doing a ton of projects like this. I'll link some other stuff we've been doing below. I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.